Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pitfister. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, we've got an Xbox Series X and we will gonna show how to open it because I don't know if I ever made a video on my YouTube channel, quite quick and efficient how to open it. So I'll get from my experience, and those who are willing learn something from this video will. So there are two screws at the back here. Okay, one is here, and both have the same Torx, security Torx, okay, or regular Torx. I'll tell you because I never remember. Okay, that's one and that's two. If you see those not open, you know it wasn't open like ever. So, is it a Torx secured? No, it's a regular Torx, and I don't remember the size, so let's get one. That's too small, and that's slightly too small, I would say. Yeah, that could be just lucky. So I don't like to be lucky. I just want to do it the right way. Oh, that's the one, and it's what has written on it. That's CRVT8. Okay, whatever that means. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's unscrew those two. Okay, so one. That video should be about 10 minutes-ish. Hopefully not a long time, because I need to replace HDMI port in. Now, at this stage, you can't start from this side, you should start from this side. If you don't have anything which you can insert here, you can use your finger and lift up like that. And that will do, but it's really hard, yes. So what you can do is you can lift with this, or if you struggle, as I'm struggling, you can use some prying tool to help yourself out. So let's do like that. Let's pull it, lift it. Oh, and you see now it's going in. Now we get one clip, second clip, and now we should be good to go. Yes. Keep in mind, don't pull this one because you've got this and you can damage it. Now, the amount of dust you will see inside can be significant. Get my plate aside because I was eating just breakfast. It's 1 p.m. It's more of a brunch than the breakfast. And now we continue, okay? Now we should use only one screwdriver here, same size what we had over there, you see, and we remove the main central screw for the fan. Let's have some fun. Now there are two screws on each side, 1 and 2 as well here. So one, and on the opposite side is the second one. Okay, and the connector is here. So this connector you just pull. That's it. We will wiggle. And it's stubborn. If it's stubborn, use something because you can damage it. If you're gonna damage it, you'll make extra trouble. Okay, and then you see it's going out. Okay, now we should be able to pull it out. I know I should clean it, but because I want to do a quick video rather than a long video, and I don't want to postpone it more than I have to. Okay, now to open this side here, there is a thingy. I'll pause the video, I'll make a photo, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so hopefully you see my mouse here. This needs to go up, so you can use flat screwdriver or some tool whichever will fit here. You've got a bit of a space, and then when it's up, then you can turn this circular plate here in this direction, because this has to go off to this hole and drop down. Okay, so I'll show you on my camera here how I will do it. Let me put it like that. Okay, I'll get some tool, I'll insert it, I'll lift it, and now I can turn it. I can turn it, or I can't turn it. Okay, I'll do it off the insert. Okay, now and you can take it. So once you will insert it, pull it, then you can turn it, no problem. And here you've got several screws. So let's talk about these screws quickly. I'll pause and I'll unscrew them. You've got 1, 2, 3 green screws, and then you've got one screw here, and that's it. And that's it. This one is for the optical drive cover at the back, and these 3 are to keep the main chassis inside. Yes, stable. So I'll pause, I'll unscrew it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, we got 4 screws, the same screwdriver bit, yes, nothing changing. Now at the top here, okay, you get 1 screw here, so the whole plastic can then go off. Same screwdriver, nothing's changing. Okay, now we can pull it off. Did I forget about? No, nothing. No forgetting, but it should go off here. Why it doesn't want to go off? Okay, it will help it if it doesn't want to go. That's you. Now you can disconnect power and SATA cables from the optical drive and pull it off. 1, power, and now laser in this fits from even Xbox One, so it doesn't matter. If you've got Xbox One X and you need a new laser, you can use from 1540 model, the Xbox One, which has the external brick, external power supply, and this still works. So that's worth knowing, because I've done it in the past and customer went satisfied. Even they came with another service for me to unblock Android Google account, well, wipe the phone by the same time. Okay, so the last thing before pulling it are 2 wires. One you need to pull up, and second you need to press down. Which one is which? I think this one is opening and that one is pressing. So again, I'll make a photo and I'll share with you so that you will know exactly. Okay guys, so that's the wider cable here. Yes, the wider cable, and that's the smaller cable. So the wider cable, you just pull this one down or up, depend which side you have it. Let's look, and it's open, you see. So you just literally lift this thing up, and then you can safely pull this side of the cable. Whereas this one you need to press inside. I don't know if I have it as a photo. Let us refresh. Yes, I have it. Okay, good. So here you just press this down, and then you can pull this cable out, and that's you. That's pretty much you. So let's do it here. Okay, I'll use a light because it's easier for me. So I've opened this one, as you've seen, so I can only unglue this cable from the chassis. Okay, unglue, and then when it's loose, I can just pull it. And this way you don't damage the cable. Yes, so here you will see small 2 pins on each side of it, and these pins won't get damaged. And now it's loose, and just untackle from this Captain tape here. Okay, and before pulling it, you need to press over there. Oh, press it. So one is pull, second is push. Well, open, and second is just press it, and now it's loose, and now you can take it out. Okay, and now you have an Xbox out. 9 minutes. Okay, so that's how you open it. Now the next step is to remove everything. Okay, that's to remove everything. Now I wanna make it in 10 minutes video, so I'll record episode number 2, and this way you've got how to open it and now how to disassemble the inside out. Hopefully you've found it useful, and if so, please leave me some like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.